Welcome! In front of me I've got Omoda 5 EV. In this video I'll show you 5 useful things you can manage on your Omoda. Let's start with the key fob controls. Thanks to the key fob you can lower and raise windows in your car. Kurwa no. And you can remotely open and close the tailgate. The key fob also has preheating preconditioning function, and you can enable it by pressing and holding this button. Let's go inside. In Omoda 5 EV we can also find steering wheel heating, seat heating and seat ventilation. You can manage it via climate control panel. Via screen display you can also enable Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that are completely wireless. Last useful thing in Omoda 5, among many, but in my opinion, is HUD. Right here we've got the special screen that casts the view on your front windshield. On the HUD you can check the speed limit, your current speed and assistant menu and navigation, and you can manage it via vehicle settings and HUD settings. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.